Drone video operation tutorial. Check out the product accessories in sequence. Product accessories list. Charging demonstration. Connect one end of the charging cable to the charging port first. Connect the other end of the charging cable to the power source again. When the battery is charged, it turns red, and when fully charged, it turns green. The red light stays on when charging the remote control and turns off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. First, install SD cards separately on the drone and remote control. First flight. Choose an open area. Remove the lens protective cover. Expand the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone on a level ground. Long press the switch to turn on the drone. Remove the remote control joystick. Install the remote control joystick. Expand the remote control antenna. Turn on the remote control start switch. Automatic frequency matching upon startup. The drone's light flashes rapidly and then slowly, indicating successful frequency matching. Long press the geomagnetic calibration button. Drone light flashing rapidly to slow flashing. Pick up the drone. Slowly rotate clockwise in the horizontal direction. Slowly rotate clockwise in the vertical direction. Press the calibration gyroscope button. Drone light flashing to slow speed indicates successful calibration. Place the horizontal ground to search for GPS signals. Search for 8 stars or above to fly. Global positioning system. GPS signal. Unlock the motor in the other 8 directions. Push the joystick upwards to take off. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Retreat. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Default low gear upon startup. After pressing, the 2 beeps indicate medium gear. After pressing, the beep beep sound 3 times indicates high gear. Remove the obstacle avoidance cover. Install omnidirectional obstacle avoidance head. Open the drone after installation. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance mode. Press the 1 button photo button. Realize 1-click photography. Long press the 1 key recording button. Realize 1-click recording. The scroll wheel of the electrically adjustable camera scrolls to the right. Camera up adjustment. The electrically adjustable camera scroll will scrolls to the left. Camera downward adjustment. Press the 1-click return button. Automated return of unmanned aerial vehicles. Indoor flight preparation. Press the GPS button to turn off GPS in indoor mode. Press the calibration gyroscope button to calibrate the gyroscope. The rapid flashing and slow flashing of drone lights indicate successful calibration. Unlock the motor in the other 8 directions. Push the joystick upwards to take off. Indoor optical flow positioning. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws and remove the old fan blade. Pay attention to the distinguishing between A and B blades. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. App download and connection. Connect to Wi-Fi starting with FTP on the drone.